Hello friends, so welcome to my channel. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'll show you my latest format, 1+6 inventory format. That means with this format you'll be able to manage your one store and 6 outlets. For example, you purchase goods and you keep in your main store, and from there you can transfer goods to other stores, and with this format you can manage 6 outlets and one single store. The inventory, reorder level, everything you can track. So I'll show you step by step, and this format is going to be really helpful for a lot of people. As you can see below, it has only 1 2 3 4 5 6 pages, and it is very simple to use. Anyone, if even you don't have any knowledge about Excel, still you can use this format, because it is not only a format, it works like an application. So let me explain. When you download this file, first of all you have to contact me. I will send you a video. Just watch that video, enable the macro, then open this file. If you cannot make the setting, just contact me on WhatsApp. I will make the setting connecting any text. After the setting is done, simply just click this item list to add your item. Below, as you can see, this part of the data is fully automatic. Nothing you have to do, only you enter data in this section and click this add button and it will be add. Very simple. I will add one item and show you. Serial number will be update automatically. Item code also will be update automatically. Item code, as you can see, started from 101. You can change the item code from the help page. This is the start item code. If you write here 1001, 1002, whatever, the next item code will be 1 plus the item code that we have saved here only, and after that the code will be updated automatically. So there we have the brand. Category has a drop down list. Similar way, category you can change from the help page. You can add as much category you want to add, and the category will be added automatically in this category drop down box. Then we have the product name, unit, quantity, price. This is the purchase price and reorder label. The reorder label will give you an option like if the product is about to finish or it is below the reorder level, it will give you a message. So I'll add one item and I'll show you. Brand will be local. For example, I am taking here local. You can add the real brand like the dal or the potato is from what brand, or the Coca-Cola is from what brand. You can write the name also, a specific name, no problem with that. Brand is local for me. And I'm going to add some frozen meat. That will be prawn. No, that will be chicken. Like so. Another thing is there, you cannot add duplicate product in this list. If it will be duplicate product, then for example I'm trying to add dal again, as it is already added in our list. Unit will be kg. Quantity is 1, price 1 kg dal, price will be for example 40, reorder level will be 5. I'm trying to add it. It says it's a duplicate entry. So what we have to do, so let me change the product name. Chicken leg 1 kg, unit is fine, quantity is 1 kg, price I'll add 200 rupees, and reorder level will be same 5. Now the chicken is added, but as you can see it is highlighted in red color. That means we have said the reorder level is 5 but available stock is 0. So that's how you'll get a notifications that this particular item is about to finish or below the reorder level. In item master, only this much you have to do. Simply go back to the master. In master your 70% work will be done. Store inventory, report and help. These pages are fully automatic, nothing you have to do. So let me explain you about the master. Left side, as you can see, the yellow color area is fully automatic. Don't edit or delete anything from there. Date is by default today. Code will be updated automatically. Brand also, category, unit, quantity, available stock and purchase price. So all this information will be updated automatically. Okay. For example, you have more than 1000 2000 items. It is very difficult to find from the drop down list. So what you can do, simply I have added a advanced search options, search product. At this place you can enter any start alphabet of that product. For example, if I'm looking for a product that start from chicken, CH, if I'm looking for chicken, I have entered only two alphabets CH. With this arrow you can go up and down. So as you can see, chicken leg is there. When I select chicken leg, as you can see, item code, brand, frozen meat, everything is available, is 0, purchase price is 200. So we are going to purchase the chicken, and we are going to purchase chicken for a store. We purchase chicken and then we keep it in a store. So let me purchase 50 kgs of chicken. The price also update automatically. I simply click add button and this information is added, as you can see. If you want to send or transfer the chicken to some outlets, simply select transfer, outlet name. Even the outlet name also you have to change from the help page. As you can see, store, and then we have 6 outlets. You can change the outlet name from here only, and in master page, in this drop down list, the name will be changed automatically. So for now I select outlet 1, quantity is 2 kgs, add. So you have seen, so easy to use this format. Just search the item name, transaction name, source and quantity and add, boom, it is saved. So our master work also is done. Then let me explain about the outlet inventory. In this page, all the yellow colors area are fully automatic. So don't edit or delete anything from that part. I have given some white area to make some manual entries. For example, when you download this file, you have some items like chana dal, potato, chicken legs and Coca-Cola. You have in your store some, like chicken leg, you have 5 kgs with you. So I have entered, and after that we start receiving from the store. So this is outlet 1, outlet 2, outlet 3. That's how I have said till outlet 6. So this is the section for outlet 5. This is the opening, receive from where? Receive from a store, and this will be the total consumption, and then consumption, closing a stock, then consumption and consumption cost. So let me explain you using outlet 1. For example, chicken leg, we have opening in outlet 1 5 kgs, 2 kgs we have received from a store, total we have 7 kgs, and is showing the consumption also 7 because we haven't put any closing balance. For example, we have 7 for this month. At the end of the month, I have checked my fridge. I see still we have 2 kgs left in my fridge. That means only we have used 5 kgs in this entire month, and this is the cost. So that's how we can calculate the consumption for hotel industries. And this is the total consumption cost. Okay. So that's how outlet 2, 3, all the sections work similar way. Very simple. Next we have store inventory. Even this part of the data is fully automatic. Even this part of the data, I mean the entire sheet of a store inventory is fully automatic except the opening. So all these items also will be shown here automatically once you add them in item list. So don't try to add anything manually in this page also. Just add the opening balance. Like when you start using this format, maybe you have chana 2 kgs in a store and dal you have 10 kgs in a store. So that's how let me add 10 kgs at the beginning. For example, 10 kgs you have in your store, these particular items. So add them, and after that we start the purchase. So this is the purchase section. How much you have purchased? Coca-Cola 100 bottle and chicken leg 50 kgs we have purchased. So this is the cost. This is the total stock section. Like we have 10 opening and 50 is our purchase, total 60. This is the cost. We have the transfer section, 2 kg only we have transferred to our outlets, and this is the transfer cost. We have available 58 kgs and this is the cost for that. And above there also you can see the total value of our available stock. This is the transfer amount. So these are the total value of this data. Okay. Then we have the report sheet. With this report sheet you can filter report the data as you wish. So there we have search, show all and print button. Let me click show all first. So from here you can change the date. Accordingly you can search a date wish also, but make sure that the date month will be first, then day, then year. Okay, that's how Excel work. First there has to be the month, then date, then years. Accordingly brand you can search by category also. Vegetables I have select. As you can see, the vegetables only shown here. Show all to get all the data back. With the help of product list also you can search, transaction type basis also you can search product like transfer and outlet 1. So basically you can see transfer 1 and transfer data outlet 1 how much, search. So this is the transfer and outlet 1, as you can see only 1857 57. That is the amount all the goods we send or transfer from the store to outlet 1. So that's how you can filter the data using the report sheet. Then you can print this also, click this print button, it will give you a print preview. Then we have the help page. As already I have shown, category you can add as much you want, but the store will be, outlet will be 6 and one store will be there, total 7 section. And product start code you can enter as per you wish, but I suggest in this entire format don't delete or edit or try to insert any column or rows. Don't do that. I see a lot of people they insert columns or rows manually, but please don't do that, because this format is already designed with VBA code. So even if you add any rows or columns, the codes will stop working and you will get some error message. That's the problem a lot of people face. They try to edit the formats. So friends, this is the format, but it works like an application. So if you want to download this format, the link will be in description box, and after download contact me. I'll do the necessary setting for this, and after that you can start using it. If you want to make or customize this kind of formats, you can contact me also. My number will be on my website. Just simply click the link on description box, and from there you will get my number also. So thank you very much for watching this video.